Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make watermark in CapCut PC easily. So maybe you've edited your video and you want to add some watermark in it so that other people can see that you are the one who made it. So for example, I want to add the watermark in this video. So what you need to do is you can either add your own logo and then import it to CapCut and place it in your video, or you can also just use your watermark as text. For example, I want to add text, click on the video and then here go to text and click on add text. Here click on the plus to add the default text and click on this text box here to change the text. For example, okay, I'm going to add just my name here, and you can also change the font size and also the font type. I'm going to change the font. Here I'm going to can also change this style, but I'm going to just choose the white, the basic one. Here you can add a spacing, and here I'm going to adjust the opacity so that it will looks like this, because you don't want your watermark to ruin your video. So here, after that, you can change the font by clicking on this font box here and change it into your liking. You can also add your own font. I'm going to just use this ones right here. Okay, so just wait. And now it has been changed. You can place it anywhere you like. You can place it at the bottom like so, for example, or you can also make it big and place it at the center of the video like this, so that when it play you can adjust the line with the video, so when it play it will always be there, your own watermark like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.